PTOC podcast. Today we have with us Dr. Ajit Chalak sir. So welcome sir.
Thank you.
So what is the first thing that comes in your mind when you hear the word precision in trauma surgery?
Precision is very important in the trauma surgery because to bring the patient back to his normal routine is what is very important, and that's we thrive for.
So what are the three things that you keep in mind before entering the OT?
Uh, the first would be my plan, which I usually make. I mean, whatever plan I have made, I have to fine tune it just before entering the OT by looking at the X-rays. Uh, I do more of a reconstruction work where I have to plan my placement of rings, or maybe what steps I would be doing. Like first, I usually do osteotomies of fibula to realign the tibia. So that plan is already set. Okay, my first step would be this, second would be this, and third would be this. So I have that things in mind.
And so one surgery of yours that went wrong and you learned so much from it.
Yeah. So quite a few, not one. So in a case I have planned for a LRS fixator for a infected non-union of the femur. That patient had a very small discharging sinus, like a centimeter or so. So I was pretty sure, okay, I will be able to put an LRS on that. So when I opened, actually there was a large piece of sequestrum over there. So my plan initial was I may excise a 2 centimeter of bone looking at the size of wound. But when I opened, that was around 8 centimeter. So after excising that bone, I didn't have enough bone left to put, 3 pins of LRS. So I had to shift to Elizaro. But at that time, I didn't kept Elizaro as a backup, you know. So that case, I have to abandon the surgery. I applied a simple splint to it, and I explained the relative key. Okay, we didn't had that in a backup. So that is one thing. So that day I learned whatever I am doing, I will have at least 2 to 3 implants in case I may not be able to put the one which I have planned.
Yes, and so in such cases, how important is communication with the patient and relatives when such things happen?
Yeah, it is very important. What is important is whenever you speak with the patient, they understand what you are speaking. So I've told them the truth that I didn't keep that uh, uh, Elizaro fixator as backup. So that's why we are, kind of abandoning the surgery now. We will do it after 2 weeks later again.
And sir, this is the 20th year of PTOC. So one word for PTOC 2026 and one word for Dr. Parag Sancheti, sir.
Yeah, so this is 20th year, and it's great to be a part of this team. And for Parag sir, yes, he's a true leader. Uh, you can see how uh, brilliantly this conference is arranged. So he's definitely a micro planner, and he knows everything. And I see all the halls are really packed. People are standing outside, and that shows how nicely he has planned this conference.
Thank you, sir, for your time. It was pleasure talking to you.
Yeah, thank you.